in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the System Restore application on your Windows device to fix issues you're having on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, whether it's booting issues or perhaps it's just glitchy or non-responsive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in System Restore. Best result, you come back with Create a Restore Point. Go ahead and select that. So all I have to do is select the System Restore button right here, and then select Next. Select the restore point you want to go back to, and then select Next again. Select Finish, and then please note that System Restore cannot be interrupted once started. Do you wish to continue? Select Yes to confirm, and then just give this some time to run here. All right, so there you go, guys. You can see System Restore completed successfully. Go ahead and close out of here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.